Hi, I'm Tim. Walk with me through Vantage Plastics. Let's take a look at what they do. As we step inside the building, you're very quickly going to see Lotus Technologies. This is our injection molding arm. And you can see behind me, we've got 10 different injection molders of all different sizes here. These are high pressure injection molding machines. We make parts for automotive, all kinds of different things, stacking columns for Class A surfaces. We also do rack rollers, all kinds of custom products there. Directly ahead, up over here, is our low pressure injection molding machine. This is a huge structural foam machine that allows us to do really large parts like you can see over here. We got a whole crew working their way through right now. Gonna do my best to stay out of their way. Got a whole bunch of different things going on as we put these parts together. This particular facility in Bay City, Michigan is roughly 325,000 square feet. Just to give you an idea, that is about 7.5 acres. From end to end, it is just about 1/4 of a mile. So this is going to be a bit of a long walk, so bear with me. As you can see, we got all kinds of parts stacked up all over the place here. These are all getting ready to go out. These are battery packs. We make battery packs for all kinds of different EVs, several different industries. They're made out of polyethylene, ABS. And once we get over to this end of things, this is where we do all of our thermoforming. At this facility here, we have a total of 4 thermoforming machines, and they are running almost 24/7, producing parts for automotive, retail, different types of packaging. We've also got several machines that are dedicated to pallets of various shapes and sizes. And as you can see here, I'm going to pause and kind of turn so you can see a little bit better. Got pretty large machines back over here. A lot of work being done. Got all of our shipping docks back over this direction. We are ISO 9001 certified for quality. We do all of our own recycling. I'll take you back over here by our grinder that we've got over on this facility. We have our own recycling facility, Edge Materials Management. You should check out our webpage on that. We are currently set to process somewhere around 13 million pounds of plastic this year. I'm gonna get out of the way here. Right, here's one of our other machines. This is one of our newest machines, a big Mac machine. Currently running 2 different parts per cycle time over here. I'll pause, let you get a quick look, and head back over here. We do use a lot of robotic trim cells to speed up the process, make work more efficient. Take you through the back half over here and show you the grinder. One of the things that we have is we guarantee that we will buy back all of the parts that we produce. We're currently sitting at about a 98% buyback rate, and we will buy that back and we will grind it up in this machine here. We also have a much larger grinder machine up in Standish. That's where majority of our recycling is done. It gets ground up, repelletized, and then we actually reuse that in further sheets of plastic or injection molding projects here at Vantage. Yeah, and you can see just the huge amount of parts that are getting ready to get shipped out here. We've got sleds that we've produced for later this season. These pallets over here are just big piles of sheet that we produce at Air Park Plastics up in Standish. That is our own extrusion arm. Currently producing over 1 million pounds of fresh sheet per week. You can see that there, and then again, a bunch more finished goods ready to get shipped out here in the next couple of days. We also have built-in capacity for all of our own prototyping and tooling, which you can see some of over here. Walk you back up here towards the front. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this walk through Vantage Plastics Bay City facility. Stick with me because we'll be going through the Standish facility next.